Welcome to the Kubernetes Zero to Hero series. In today's episode, we will answer one simple question: what is Kubernetes and why is everyone talking about it? Let's start with the problem. Why containers needed orchestration? Docker containers are amazing. They allow us to package applications and run them consistently across the different environments. But imagine if our company has hundreds and hundreds of containers and they all are running across multiple servers. And if suddenly the containers are crashing or traffic is suddenly increasing, what happens if the server is going down and you have to manage everything manually? So, it's quite obvious that it is not possible and extremely difficult. This is why orchestration is needed, and that's how Kubernetes is needed. What is container orchestration? Container orchestration simply means automatically managing containers. Just think like an intelligent manager that is constantly managing and monitoring all your applications. And the most popular tool in today's world is Kubernetes for orchestration. So it is automating the deployments, automating scaling, networking, and an important part which is self-healing of containers. Stay with me in the video. We'll see how what are the important points of Kubernetes and how it is the most important tool for orchestration. We'll understand the difference between Docker and Kubernetes. One of the biggest misconceptions among the beginners is Docker and Kubernetes compete with each other. No, actually, Docker is helping to create and run containers, and Kubernetes is helping for orchestrating the containers which are created by Docker. So, a simple way to remember this is Docker runs container and Kubernetes manages it. They work together. We have a comparison. Just imagine Docker as a car and Kubernetes is a traffic control system. The important points of Kubernetes are its features are again auto healing, auto scaling, load balancing, and rolling updates. These capabilities make large system application management very easier. My favorite way to explain Kubernetes: imagine a large apartment society and we have the residents over here. So the residents are the applications and the apartments are the containers. And the building is like your worker nodes or the server, and the society manager is the Kubernetes. So if an apartment becomes empty, the manager assigns a new resident like container. If one building becomes overcrowded, then the manager distributes residents across the building. Kubernetes does the same thing with containers automatically. Benefits: why do companies love Kubernetes? Because it provides several powerful benefits. Self-healing keeps application running. Auto-scaling handles traffic spikes. Load balancing distributes the request efficiently. And rolling updates make sure that new releases are rolled out without having any downtime. So these features improve reliability and reduce operational effort. These are the four features of Kubernetes and how they are effective. So you can see we have self-healing, load balancing, high availability. We'll emphasis more on self-healing and auto-scaling. Let's look at two important Kubernetes features. First is self-healing. If container crashes, Kubernetes automatically detects the failure and creates another replacement. No manual intervention is needed. And auto-scaling, when application traffic increases, Kubernetes can automatically launch additional containers and instances. So when traffic decreases, it scales down the resources also to save the cost. Load balancing and high availability is another main advantage here. So instead of sending all requests to one container, it will distribute the traffic and it will distribute evenly across the different containers. So this is like load balancing, and it improves performance and user experience. And high availability is even if the server is falling down, Kubernetes will automatically shift the workloads to healthy nodes. So it will reduce downtime and improve the reliability. So we'll quickly have a summary, a quick recap. Today we learned what containers need, why containers need orchestration, what container means, difference between Docker and Kubernetes, a simple apartment analogy, and the key benefits of Kubernetes. In the next episode, we'll explore Kubernetes architecture, understand what are pods, nodes, cluster, and control plane. And if you found this video